little smiley faces, Miss Hands.
Fizzy, the Paw Patrol is under all that Play-Doh.
Paw Patrol? Well, are we going to see them?
Yes, we are. We're gonna find out which Paw Patrol characters are under the Play-Doh, and we're gonna open up toy surprises. Woohoo! Let's get this Paw Patrol Play-Doh party started! Yeah!
The Fizzy Toy Show!
Hi everyone! Welcome to the Fizzy Toy Show! Today we're going to reveal which Paw Patrol characters are under this Play-Doh, and the Play-Doh is going to turn into toys. By the way guys, if you like Paw Patrol and Play-Doh, check out Fizzy Fun Toys for more Paw Patrol and Play-Doh videos. Let's start with Red. Who is on our red Play-Doh can? It's Marshall! Let's roll this out and make a little shape with it. Let's make red hearts. Let's turn these hearts into a toy. Fizzy Wizzy Bo Bizzy Bop. Awesome! It's a Trolls keychain. Who do we get? Let's pop it open and see. Oh, we got DJ Suki. Look at her. DJ is so cool. She has her headphones on, her awesome troll hair, and here's where you clip her onto a keychain. So cool. That orange face is up next. Who's behind the orange face? It's Zuma! Now let's make something with this orange Play-Doh. How about some orange butterflies? Here are 3 orange butterflies. I wonder what toy they will make. Fizzy Wizzy Bo Bizzy Bop! Awesome! We have an orange Shopkins pumpkin. Our first one is... It's a pumpkin! Look, it's pink with the yellow stem and leaves, and this one glows in the dark. And it's another glow-in-the-dark one. It's licorice, and look at the spider web on it. Whoa, this has some cool colors. Time to see who's under that pink Play-Doh. Who is underneath all of this pink Play-Doh? Let's find out. It's Skye! Time to roll this pink dough and see what toy surprise we can make. But first, let's make some stars. We have 3 pink stars. I wonder what toy surprise they'll make. Fizzy Wizzy Bo Bizzy Bop! Awesome! We got a Squinkies Dewdrops Mystery Villa. Let's see who we got. Whoa! You guys! It's an ultra rare! This is the Pug Dragon. Look at all the glitter. Its name is Dragon Pug. And look at this cute little blue fish. Its name is Splash Flash. Time to see our dew. It looks like we have the pink Fedora Dew. Let's put a little Fedora Dew on our Dragon Pug. Now that is one cute fancy little Dragon Pug. Time to see who's under that yellow Play-Doh. Who's under all this yellow Play-Doh? Let me see here. I think I know. It's rubble! Time to roll the Play-Doh, make some shapes, and see what toy surprises we get. Look, it's a giant dinosaur. We'll put it in the Play-Doh. And now we'll put the skeleton on it. Check out this super cool dinosaur skeleton! Rawr, rawr! Time for a toy surprise. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo, Bizzy, Bop. Whoa! What do we have here? It's a Grocery Gang Crusty Chocolate Bar. Our first gross little Grocery Gang food item is... Blah, look at this one! It's got crazy eyes and it looks like it has a little bit of a blah 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 problem. This one's name is Barf Biscuit. Ew! And we got, ooh, this looks delicious. No, it doesn't. Ew! Look at all the mold on it. This one is Horrid Hamburger. Ew, that's so gross. Time to see who's under the green. Who's under all this green Play-Doh? Let's find out. It's Rocky! Time to roll this Play-Doh and make something. It's a giant T-Rex! Whoa, T-Rex went flying! Look how super cool! I love all the bones on it. It looks super awesome. Rawr! 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 Time to see what our T-Rex turns into. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo, Bizzy, Bop. Whoa! It's a Mickey Mouse minifigures Lego bag. Who do we get? Alright, let's see who's inside. Whoa! It looks like we got Minnie Mouse. Here's Minnie Mouse, and she is looking adorable, and she even has her little bow on. Time to see who's under that blue Play-Doh. Who is under all of that blue Play-Doh? It's Chase. Time to roll the blue Play-Doh. Let's make this Superman logo. Check it out, it is super cool. I wonder what kind of toy our Superman logo makes. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo, Bizzy, Bop. I made a superhero blind bag. It's a Marvel Tsum Tsum mystery pack. Who do we get? Whoa, it's Hawkeye. Here comes Hawkeye, whoosh, busting right through here. He has his super cool purple mask on. Let's pull him out and take a look. Whoa, look at him. He has his bow and arrow and he is pretty awesome. Let's see who's under all that purple. Who's under all this purple Play-Doh? Let's find out. It's Everest. Let's roll out Everest's purple Play-Doh. And let's do something a little different with her Play-Doh. Let's make all these different designs. Swirly. Polka dots. This looks like a pinwheel. This looks like cupcake sprinkles. These circles look like a bullseye. And here's a different block with bricks. Here are squares inside of squares. And let's do this. It looks like wood on trees. Look at all these different designs. I wonder what kind of toy we'll get now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo, Bizzy, Bop. Oh, cool. It's a Palace Pets blind bag, and this is series 3. Which little pet will we get? Whoa, we got a purple one. This purple elephant's name is Taj, and Taj belongs to Jasmine. That is a super cute elephant. I wonder who's under that black Play-Doh. Who is under all of this black Play-Doh? Let's find out. It's Tracker. I think it's time to make another superhero logo with this black Play-Doh. Which superhero wears black? Did you guess Batman? Check out the black bat. Whoa, he's flying around. So cool. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo, Bizzy, Bop. We got a Crossy Road minifigure box. Let's see who we got. Look at this one. It looks like it's a dragon. That is so cool. I've never seen this one before. Rawr, rawr, fire-breathing dragon. Last but not least, we have someone under white Play-Doh. Who's under all this white Play-Doh? I bet you can guess. It's not a pup, it's Ryder. I have another big dinosaur cookie cutter. So let's roll out a lot of this white Play-Doh. Look at our dinosaur. Let's go ahead and make it. This white dinosaur looks so cool. Look at all those bones. Rawr, rawr. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo, Bizzy, Bop. Awesome! Our white dinosaur turned into a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles blind box. Look at all the cool ones you can get. Who will we find inside? I see green. It looks like we got a turtle. Which turtle? Leonardo. So look at super cool Leonardo. He's crouching down. And these are stackable. So if I had another one, I'd put it right on top here, or I could put one on top of Leonardo. So super cool.
Oh, so many cool toys. Hey guys, let me know which one was your favorite in the comments down below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Today we're opening 120 Mashems and Fashems. We're gonna squeeze them and we're gonna